Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Lenny and I explore the latest AI tools that make life easier. So today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, a game-changing AI avatar tool. And you know, I've talked a lot about AI avatars on this channel. I already have a playlist of different tools that you could use to build your own AI avatar. I'm gonna link that in this video so that you can go check those ones out as well. Just imagine creating your own avatar that can represent you in videos, websites, or even as a digital assistant. So whether you're running a Faceless YouTube channel, managing a business, or you just love exploring cutting-edge AI, this tool has so much to offer. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and customize your avatar, key features and how they work, real-life use cases to inspire your next big projects. And also the good thing about this tool is that they do have a generous free version for you to try out and see if you love it. If you love it, then you can go ahead and pay for it. Trust me, this one tool you'll definitely want to add to your creative arsenal. So let's get started and let's bring your avatar to life. The tool I would be working on today is called Anscript.ai. You can go to the link. I'll leave it in the description box as well so that you can go check it out. When you come to the platform, you can just scroll down because first you want to try out the free version, right? So you scroll down and you click on build your avatar. And then it takes you to a page. As usual, I do recommend for you to sign up, have an account. Even if the app doesn't ask you to sign up, I do recommend that you sign up so that you don't lose your work, because I've lost my work a number of times and it's definitely not fun. So I like the fact that this application, again, allows you to sign up with Google. It would be nice if you can also sign up with Facebook or any other account. But I just like the idea of having to just go to Google and then click on sign up. And then it takes me to the onboarding page, the dashboard. Okay, so you get here to the onboarding page. It's asking like for the user type. You basically have to answer a few questions before it takes you to the original dashboard. So it's asking for whom will you be creating content. Select all the apply. I'm just gonna say myself. And then profession. I'm just gonna say content creator. Next, what size of your company? I'm just gonna say just me. And then next, which industry best describes your company? I'm just gonna say technology and IT, art and entertainment, because guys, I might not entertain in news and media. And then I'm gonna click on next. What do you want to create? So I'm just gonna say social media content, really, and interactive avatars, personalized videos. Okay, next. Last question. How did you hear about us? So I'll just say other and submit. Okay, so once you get to the dashboard, they have like a series of instructions or trainings, or like they can take you on a tour on what to do when you get into the dashboard. But I've tried this app already. I definitely know what to do, so I'm just gonna click on skip. Let me just walk you through the features. So you have group of avatars to choose from. So basically, you can create your own custom avatar. Since this is a Faceless channel, I'm not revealing my face, but I'm going to walk you through how you'll be able to create your own custom avatar using your own face so that it looks like your digital twin. And then I'm also going to be using like some of these pre-built avatars as well. Like I mentioned earlier on, they do have like a free version. So we'll be able to use a free version for this particular tutorial. And then they have the videos tab. So basically all the videos you create would come into this tab. And then they have like the web page template, right? So you'll be able to like create your own web page template. But then let's move on. Let's move on to start with a tutorial. So you click on the avatar tab. Like I mentioned, you'll be able to create like your own avatar. You'll be able to create your own custom avatar, and in order to do that, you need to first provide a recording of 10 minutes. So basically, if you have a script, because they want to be able to train the model using your own video and your own image, right? So you need to provide a video of 10 minutes with you reading a script. Just make sure that the quality of your video is great. That means you're in a well-lit environment, the voice and everything is clear. And also when it comes to like the light and just make sure that you're avoiding a lot of shadows. Make sure that you're keeping your lip visible, so just avoid having hair covering your hair and your face. And then just skip any like shiny accessories. Just avoid glasses, hoodies, or any stripes, okay? And then just make sure that you're recording in a quiet environment to eliminate any background noise. And then once you do that, once you do your recording, you can just give it a name. You put it in here, and then basically you'll be able to move on to the next stage, which allows you to train the avatar, so that next time, because now they have a video of you, next time you can come back to, and then you'd have to provide your consent, and then you have it there. So next time if you come back to this avatar tab, you'd see your video in here, and you could basically just use that. So this has already been done for us, so I'm just gonna like let's say who am I gonna select? I'm gonna take Tamana. I'm just gonna click on this avatar here, and then you can basically decide which of these options you want to go with. I'm just going to do the lights because I'm not really going to be editing on this tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to create it. So if you don't want to use like any of these pre-built avatars that I'm using for this tutorial, then I recommend that you go through the custom avatar route. So you click on video light, and then you can select an avatar. So like I said, if you want to use your old avatar, like your own face, then you'll have to go through and create your own avatar, and then it would show in here. But like I said, for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just probably going to use like an existing avatar. So I'm just going to use this lady here. And then I'm going to click on save and continue. So then you can give your project a name. So I'm going to click, I'm going to say Lenny Avatar. And then for the script, I'm going to upload a video and audio. So you could basically put in your own script. And this is really cool because this means that you can make it as hands-off as possible, especially if you have a Faceless channel. All you need to do is like enter the script, and it's just going to do the magic. Or you can upload a video and audio. So I'm going to upload an audio. And I already have like a test audio in my document. So I'm just going to like do that. So I'm just going to use the test audio I created already. And then I'm going to click on generate audio. Very simple step. It does take some time to generate, but then you can track the progress of your audio in this tab here called videos. So as you can see, it's loading. Okay, so finally we have our avatar ready. So I'm going to play the output. Hey there, creators and business owners. Welcome back to the channel, where I explore the best AI tools to make your life easier. Today, I've got something super exciting for you, an AI branding tool that can take your brand to the next level. So whether you're just starting out or you're looking to revamp your brand identity, this tool has everything you need to stand out. I'll show you how it works, its features, and how you can use it to create a unique professional brand identity in no time. Let's get started. So the tool in question is called Zovis. Okay, that's really good. So that is it for today's video. As you can see, an avatar has been generated for us. This was 25 seconds, I believe. And I used just one credit. So you'll be able to test this out and see if this is something you really want. I think it's cool. I think it's straightforward. And let me know in the comment section below what type of videos you'd like to see, what other types of tools you'd like to see me do a tutorial on, and I'll be happy to do that. Also, like I mentioned, I already do have a number of tutorials I've done already on AI avatars. I'm gonna leave the link to that playlist on the screen as well, so that you can go check it out. But yeah, for now, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.